let's dive right into this explainer. We're going to map out a safe, top-ranking AI content strategy together. The biggest fear is de-indexing, right? But will Google actually ban your AI-generated content? Let's find out. The short answer? No. Google honestly doesn't care who or what wrote your content. But watch out. You will get heavily penalized for something they call scaled content abuse. Like if your small travel blog suddenly drops 100,000 AI pages overnight, Google definitely notices. To stay safe, you've got to pace yourself. Scale your content velocity up super gradually over time. So what if you just generate bad content and run it through one of those humanizer tools? Well, as our source brilliantly puts it, removing the smell from dung doesn't magically make it edible. The takeaway? Stop trying to polish garbage. Instead, you really need to master strategic AI prompting. To build a real strategy, let's look at the 3 specific tiers of AI prompting. First up, zero shot. This means giving the AI 0 examples, which makes the output wildly unpredictable. One shot gives the bot a single example article. This drastically improves its style and factual accuracy. Finally, few shot. By providing multiple examples, the AI perfectly averages the tone for your specific brand. The contrast here is crazy. Lazy prompting gets you generic fluff. Smart prompting guarantees actual structured quality. Seriously, never let the AI invent the whole structure. You gotta build those custom outlines manually first. Build your headings manually, grab a top-ranking example, and feed all that structured data directly in. But even with the great structure, how do we stop the AI from hallucinating totally fake facts? You absolutely must deploy a strict anti-hallucination command right at the very end of your prompt. Tell the bot to gather facts first, match its sources, and literally never invent fake URLs. Even with those strict guardrails, you should always manually verify every single link the AI spits out. To really elevate things, inject real-world insights from actual subject matter experts. That kills the fluff entirely. Plus, this highly structured approach perfectly sets you up for AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization. Since AI chatbots synthesize answers from multiple places, your factual foundation has to be completely rock solid. The big takeaway, this AI revolution rewards deep, meticulous strategy, not lazy, automated spam. So, will your next prompt just generate invisible spam, or a real pipeline that actually dominates search?